Assalamualaikum children. Today our video class is on EVS. Today we are going to study plant products. So before starting the lesson, what is the thing which help us to grow, to give us good health? So in order to be healthy, what we have to do? We have to eat. In order to grow, we have to eat. So if we eat, then only we'll become healthy. So what we have to eat, whatever you want, you can eat. In order to become healthy, we have to eat. What we are eating? We are eating food. The food which we are eating, it gives us health. We become healthy. And these food, what we are eating, from where do we get? We get that food from plants. Most of the food items which we are eating in our daily life, we get it from plants. Now in the previous chapter I have explained you the parts of the plant. What are the parts of the plant? The plant is having root, stem, flower, leaf. These are the parts of the plants. And fruit. So these are the parts of the plant. In the parts of the plant too, we are having root. We are having some vegetables which are in the form of the root which we eat. What are the root vegetables which we are eating? Carrot, beetroot. These are the root vegetables which we are eating, and these we get from plants. Now coming to stem. What are the stem vegetables? Stem. Stem vegetables are potato, ginger, sugarcane. These are the vegetables. It is the stem part which we are eating. We are eating the root of a plant. We are eating a stem of a plant. Even this we get from a plant. Then coming to flower. Flower, what are the flower vegetables which we are eating? Flower, cauliflower. And cauliflower and broccoli are the flower part. They are the flower part of a plant. Now coming to leaf. Under leaf you can take mint, spinach. This comes under the leafy part of the vegetable. Coming to fruit, you can take the tomato, brinjal if you want, apple. These are the parts of the plant which we are eating as our food. We are eating the root part, stem part, flower, leaf and fruit. Now, what are the products which we are getting from plants we are going to study. First of all, most of them will be having either in your breakfast, either idli or dosa or chapati, that is roti. From where do we get that? We get that from cereals. Cereals are nothing but they are food grains. Cereals are nothing but they are food grains. Cereals, rice, wheat, java, bajra, these are all the comes under cereals. Cereals means nothing but they are food grains. So these food grains like rice, wheat, java. Now you are taking rice. Rice we can cook in many forms. With the rice you can make idli. With the rice you can make dosa. You can make biryani. You can make pulao. You can make khichdi. These are the many items which we make from rice. Now coming to wheat. From wheat we get first of all roti. Beside that noodles. The noodles which we are eating there we get it from wheat only. Still we are having macaroni, pasta. These all are the things which we get from wheat. In this way, these are the cereals which we are eating in our daily life. We are eating rice. Rice is in the many form. In the form of idli, in the form of dosa, biryani, plain rice. These are the parts of the, these are the kinds of, these are the things which we are using which are made from rice. So rice is made in many forms. In the same way, wheat is also used in many forms. So in our daily life, we are using this cereals, rice, wheat, java, these are the things. Beside this, pulses. Pulses is nothing but dal. We are having different kinds of dal, red gram, green gram, that is chana dal, urad dal, these are the pulses are nothing but dals. Even dals we are using it in our daily life. We are eating cereals, we are eating pulses. Now coming to vegetables. Vegetables are also plant products. Rice, wheat, cereals are also plant products. Pulses we get from plants. Coming to vegetables, from where do we get vegetables? Even vegetables we get from plants. Name some vegetables. Tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, cabbage, these are the vegetables. From where do we get? These also we get from plants. Now coming to fruits. From where do we get fruits? Even fruits are the plant products. Fruit do we get from plants. Cereals we are getting, pulses, vegetables, fruits, these are all the things which we are getting from plants. Beside that, now coming to fruits. From fruits, fruits are used by us in making many things. We will make juices. We are having juices, many kinds of juices, apple juice, orange juice, these are the juices which are made from fruits only. And jam, which you apply to your bread, jam and bread, that jam is made from fruits. Even fruits we are making use in many ways. We are making pickles, we are making jelly with these fruits. Now coming to nuts. What are nuts? Almonds, kaju, badam, अखरोट, वही इसको की उसको ही nuts बोलते हैं. That is almonds, cashew, walnuts. This comes under the nuts. Even these nuts, from where do we get these nuts? These nuts we get from plants. Now coming to oil. Now we are having oil, coconut oil which you apply to your hair. Now oil which you use for cooking. That is sunflower oil, mustard oil, this oil. From oil we get from coconut, we get oil from mustard seeds, we get oil from sunflower seeds. From where this we are getting oil? Oil is also a plant product. Cereals is a plant product, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts, oils, and beside that tea and coffee. Tea and coffee which most of them will be using. Even these tea and coffee, they are also the plant products. Now coming to seeds. Spices. Spices are nothing but these are also the some kinds of parts of the plants which we use to add taste or flavor to our food, like cardamom, yani dalchini, long, elaichi, which you say, cardamom, pepper, turmeric, cloves, these all comes under spices. So even spices we get from plants. So these are the things, cereals, pulses, tea, coffee, and spices too are the plant products. These are the plant products which we get from plants. Hope you all have understood, children. What are plant products which we are eating in our, which we are using these all products in our daily life. Thank you.